What's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube? This is Creative Flex. I got this group with me. We're going to be doing some summer vibes photo shoots. I actually got the first male model for this edition. Shout out the male model. You know what I'm saying? Know your worth, King. Go off, King. You know what's going on, man. Yeah, again, I'm going to let everyone introduce themselves and give them their Instagram. That way y'all can follow and keep up with their work.
Hi, I'm Haley, and my Instagram is Haley Saints.
Hi, I'm Leanna, and my Instagram is LAY_LAY24_.
Hi, I'm Emer, and my Instagram's emer.martiaga.
Man, y'all make sure y'all follow them. Hey, I'm gonna drop it in there just in case y'all don't know how to spell that. I'm gonna drop it in the description because I don't know how to spell it. So I know y'all probably don't either. So y'all go ahead, follow those people, man. Show some support, show some love. We out here creating some good content. We out here creating some good photos, man. We're gonna get straight to it. All right, so now we got set up for this next shoot. I got the AD600 Pro. That's gonna be able to block out a lot of that sunlight. And then we got her kind of going here. We're going for a wide shot so I can get that wrap around. Get that little shelf or whatever the hell you wanna call that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get a few pictures like this while she's in this outfit, and then we'll go ahead and switch over to the more swimsuit stuff. So I'm gonna take a couple test pics real quick. See what this looks like, so don't worry about the pose so much. Oh yeah, that's looking crazy. Look at that. That's looking crazy.
Oh yeah, that's good lighting.
Yeah, that's looking nuts.
Clean.
Yeah, all right, so show you that. That's where
that's
where we're at. You know what I'm saying? That's where we're at. And that's an off guard that's on point, low key. So it's like if all I gotta worry about is my angle, then I'm winning.
Eyes closed for one.
Nice. Yeah, that's fire. Dope. Yes.
If you're gonna do that, drop both shoulders.
Hey, post coach. Hey, you can't. That's a priceless addition to your team is having a post coach. Same pose. I like that pose, but more wide. Yeah.
Pushing that hip.
Yeah. There you go. Yep. Perfect.
Wait, and only 1 foot.
Yep.
Yes. Make
There
it
you go.
heavy.
Yes, dramatic. And lean that shoulder out a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. All
I
right.
like the serious face.
Yeah, I love the serious face. I like serious more than anything because it feels more natural, honestly.
I'm not
Feels
big
more
on
natural.
smiling.
I'm not either.
I've got a pretty smile.
Are you ready for?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, we're good on this. You want to see some of these?
Oh, that is so cute.
Yeah.
And that's not even edited.
No.
Look at the sun in that.
Straight out of camera going crazy.
Dang, my body is so pretty.
Look at that stuff.
And
Bruh. That's up. Silly as hell. Hey, she trying to get you in trouble, bro. She trying to set you up. So you want to go full in the water, right?
I can do some outside.
You wanna
and
do
some
some?
inside. I said this is shirt. I wanted to do soap shirt.
Okay.
So it looks really cool and drapey. If you want to do
Yeah.
some outside the water with me, that's fine.
Yeah, let's do some. I'm gonna let you take off.
Hey, do you want your body glitter?
You heard that, man. Body glitter. Tap in. I need to tap in on some body glitter. I'm slipping, but you know, I'm learning. Take a look at this. Oh, that is dope. Dope. Yeah, I'm gonna let you do your thing.
Hey, see something?
Yeah.
I want to see if I look skinny.
Always, Haley.
Oh, love that.
Fucking with
Perfect.
it?
I want to
Yeah.
see.
I'm
Yeah,
so
you're
down with
going
some
nuts.
water poses.
You're going nuts.
That is hot, Haley.
No, I plan to like soak my hair into a hair flip for one of
Okay,
these.
okay, cool,
Like,
cool.
I plan to be full soaked, like in my shirt, like hands and hair going back. Like I brought
Got you.
leave-in conditioner to make my hair hair.
Okay.
I put a little bit in to make it wavy for now, and then once I get my hair wet, I'm gonna scrunch it in.
Period, bitch.
Let's see.
Hey, wait. Real quick, your tag.
Turn this down just a little bit. All right. Is that a turtle? No, I think it's a rock. It looked like a turtle. You know how sometimes turtle heads be doing that. All right. He said we done for. Surely not a turtle take us all out. That'd be crazy. We ain't worth the fuck. The turtle take us all out. All right. I like how you're looking away, laughing like that. That's dope. Right. We got attacked by a turtle. Took every one of us out. We gonna break the internet, y'all.
I love movement.
We're gonna break the internet. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Love.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
This is just my speed.
It's just
this is where
majestic.
I prefer to be. Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
When you model and someone's like, suck in a little bit. Like you don't want to get that look. It's just more so like, I'm trying to make you look the best you can look. You know what I'm saying?
Close, you can't see yourself.
Right, right,
so you
right.
need to see how much you need stuck in.
Right, right.
Haley, pose me. Preference?
It doesn't matter. I do definitely want to get my butt in there, but I don't know how it looks.
You want to go butt first. You want to do a butt pose. The first
No, it
pose.
looks fine.
I would drop hip in that. But not the, yeah, like I would cross your feet.
Like do the X.
Cross your feet. Like me. Look at my foot.
Like make an X, yeah.
Yes. And
Yep.
then I would put one hand on this leg on your butt, the
Okay.
other one in front. Hair like this. Look away for the first one with eyes closed, and then start turning your head towards the camera.
Fish. So yeah, try to make it more stronger of an X. There you go.
Okay, look at my feet on ground. I cross my feet and then hip out. Feet hip out.
Yes, there you go. Yep, that's it.
Now squeeze in. Squeeze in. Make your abs flex.
Dope. Look at the camera. There you go. Bring that shoulder out towards me a little bit. Perfect. Yes, that's it right there. 3, 2, 1. I'm about to show you what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You're going crazy. No, sometimes you gotta see it.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, I think I did step on something.
See what I mean?
What the fuck?
Yo.
Hey, yo, I don't fuck with fish, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, let me take a test picture real quick. Yeah, that's cool. Just as long as you can see both of us, we're good. All right, cool. Hold on real quick. Oh yeah, that's it right there. All right, so let's do a serious face. Perfect. Chin down just a little bit. Perfect. Nah, but for real though, they ain't lying though. They not lying though, for real though. They know. Like the picture, this is the one time where you can post that thirst trap picture. You know what I'm saying? This that one time. All right. All right, so yeah, let's turn to the side for me. Right there, yep. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Let's look off this way. Hold that right there. Look off this way again. Flex like crazy, go crazy. Look directly at the camera. There you go. That's. No, these are dying. They definitely try to roast you, but these are hard, bro. Look. Hey, you good, bro. Come on. You got it? They definitely roasted though. They said, yeah, hold your butt. Are you holding your butt?
I think I'm ready.
But
now
that's natural though. That's them making you laugh though, and it came out though, bro. It come out nice.
I've learned a fake laugh. All right, real laugh.
I'm ready now.
Like even this though, bro. Like this right here, where you're just like laughing like crazy. Like that shit's hard, bro. Yeah, I think if you go ahead and submerge already, you should be good. Like I think it'll make everything look more contrasty, and it'll look good.
I don't want to put the fish.
It's too late. There's been 30 fishes probably done ate the skin off your feet by now. You know what I'm saying?
Like my hair too.
Yeah. We already here. Boom.
Yeah, I ain't doing it. I ain't going that hard. My face is staying dry.
Okay, we're good.
Keep it flipped back, but move it off your root. Yeah, so that you have some hair dimension.
Does that look okay?
I'd flip your head and let it all go back now. Yeah. All right.
I don't want to get the thing wet.
What? You good? I got flooded out in my shoe.
No part.
No part?
No part while your hair's wet. It looks lumpy. You want thick, voluminous hair through the center.
A little bit over, right there. Yeah, we're gonna come close to it. So, cause I gotta keep my foot on it.
Tell me to
'Cause it's-
stand there. Hold it
Yes, yes, hell yes. Yes, very much so. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Nice.
If you drop that way, it's not giving ass, it's giving skinny. If you're gonna do it, just here.
Is this giving ass?
Yes.
That's funny as hell. Is this giving ass? Yes. Confirmation of my thing. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Bro, I thought that was a fish again. All right, so yeah, we're gonna do strong dramatic X with your legs. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's fire. I love that. That's dope. So crazy.
Yeah. Look, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed.
Creative Flex. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications when we drop a new video.